So today I want to address one common concern which I get asked about very frequently from working professionals of various age groups. So they will tell me, I have a very difficult and tough boss to work with, and I end up stretching even beyond the working hours. I'm losing my patience and I'm losing my cool, and I think I should start looking for a new job. What do you suggest? Well, what I tell them is that common practice that people follow is, if you can't change the boss, change the company. But this is a vicious circle. Until what time will you keep on changing companies for this reason? Until when? Retirement? So instead, what I suggest, if you can't change the boss, change the boss. Wait. I don't mean what you think. What I mean is, put yourself in your boss's shoe. Understand his mindset. Understand how he thinks and behaves as a boss. And then you start behaving and being that boss to yourself. You will then start to become your own boss. Boss not in designation, but in mindset. Your boss will of course remain your boss in designation, but you have to take complete ownership and complete accountability of whatever you do at work. That's how you will become the leader of your life. That's how change happens from him being the boss to now you being the boss of your work. And with this mindset, why don't you invest in building a better skill set as well? Master your craft. Become a person of greater value. And I would like to quote Sandeep Maheshwari here. अपने फील्ड के पक्के खिलाड़ी तो बनो. Be the best in your field, in your game. Become so competent that your boss can rely on you with his eyes closed. Become so great with your work that your boss, whenever he thinks of a sincere, reliable employee, he first thinks of you. Become indispensable for your boss, for your team, for your customers, and for your organization. All this will earn you so much respect, recognition, and growth that you can't even imagine of. You will have better relationship with your boss, and this will turn the tables around. And this is how you will not just change your boss's behavior towards you, you will transform it. And this is how you can change your boss for once and for all by becoming the leader of your life, by becoming the boss of your life. And remember, if you want to change your job, change because of better opportunities, not because of your boss. Because usually there's nothing wrong with boss or subordinate. It's just different perspectives of different people. There's one more very important insight which I would like to share in the context of this video, but I will share in my next video because this has become slightly longer. So do watch my next video as well. This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.